Hey, welcome back guys to another video of the stock estate. Right here we talk about all things swing trading, right? And in this market environment, which is very volatile, we still managed to find out some really pretty great picks that still managed to give us, an upside of around 4 to 5% per week. All right, and looking at last week's picks, which is CF, right? We managed to secure from our entry point around $65. Currently it's around 71, and that's around around 10% profits for that week, even though the entire market was down for the entire week in a massive way, with individual stocks actually being down more than 10% or so. So I would say that we did actually pretty well, alright, coupled with a little bit of good luck in picking the right companies. But more importantly, this channel is not mainly about the picking of stocks, but more about the risk management and how we execute our trading strategy. And with everything said, we know that as a swing trader, the more important thing is about how to control your emotions, alright, and set your stop losses as well as your risk management as a trader, right? Very important. Let me just give you an example of one trade that we did, right? Let me just move myself down here. This is NUE, right? We entered the position last time around here and we got stopped out, and I got stopped out for a loss as well, for a loss that I am comfortable with. So it's important to size your position to make sure that your losses, if it's triggered, is a comfortable one. All right, don't think about the profits, think about the losses first. All right, and right now it's bouncing up again, and after being stopped out, now this may be a good price, to enter again, all right, to swing to the further upside of 1 to 2. But however, that's not the pick for this coming week. This is a potential play, a big cap play, but I'm going to jump on to our pick for this coming week, which is ESTE. All right, ESTE is in the oil and gas industry, and this company is one of the top players, right, in terms of technicals and momentum, as well as relative strength, as well as its fundamentals as well. One of the top picks in my opinion, right, compared to a lot of other oil and gas companies which are not really earning money, doesn't have really any fundamentals at all to support it. This company does have very low levels of debt and as well as a lot of growth earnings potential. And again, it can be seen, right, as one of the technicals that's more beautiful in my opinion. You can see that it's trading in a range from the daily chart. Then it broke out. Right, massive selling pressure, but again, what I really like about this is this massive 2 green candles that shows there's a lot of buying pressure, whether by institutions or big players who are willing to buy at these coming prices, and shows a bounce off this moving average, which is the 50 moving average. And once it bounced up, you can see that right now it has 2 layers of red candles, but however, there's a shooting star candle over here, right here. Right, and let's to entry, we go to a little bit closer to maybe the let me move myself over here to the 4-hour time frame, right, to see a little bit closer what's going to happen. All right, so if the selling pressure comes down, right, and it maintains or it holds the level at $12, right, around $12, right, this is the entry price that I'll actually enter around here, right? If I can see this sell off being very weak, right, there's not a lot of pressure selling off, and there's a lot of support over here. I can see this as a nice little flag pattern. All right, stop losses will be right below here, and I'll swing it to the all-time high area around $14, and that will be around a 12 or 13% profit range for a week. All right, if I get stopped out, it is a 5% loss. All right, so again, size your proportion of your income or your trading portfolio accordingly. So again, if you're only comfortable with losing $100, make sure 5% of that entire position is $100. Right, so the full size position, right, will be 5 times 20. Yes, 5 times 20, right? 5 times 20. So if you're only comfortable in losing $100, that will be only maximum. The entire position will be around a $2,000 position, right? So you need to start thinking about it, right? When I give you the pause, you try to calculate out in your brain. I know sometimes it's a bit of a hassle, but this is a very important skill for the swing trader to make up for. So calculating these kind of positions and making you more comfortable with your losses as well as your wins, right, will make you a better and more confident swing trader and helps you stay in the market even though when it's very volatile, all right, and also makes you understand and have in control, when to step out of the markets, when you want to step into the markets, if you do, what is your losses. All right, and this is the pick for this coming week in the oil and gas industry, which is one of the only sector which is trending, right, in this very choppy markets. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay, as always, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel if you are a new one for more updated teasers on my stocks, and I'll see you again in the next video, everyone. Stock Estate out.